I tell you what, I really do have the best viewers in the entire world. You guys are so appreciated. My name is Luke, this is the Outdoor Gear Review, and I am back again with more viewer mail. Some very delicious viewer mail. Now this package right here comes from my good buddy, Doc Bushcraft. Buddy, you are the man. Thank you so much for these cookies. An entire case of the Jaffa cakes. These things are the best cookies in the entire world. I absolutely love them. Susan loves them. Maddie's gone, so she can't have any right now, so I will have to eat them for her. But they rule. They absolutely rule. As far as I know, there's nothing in the United States like them. I've never had a cookie like them before. More like a cake. Chocolate on the top. Orange jelly on the inside. Freaking awesome. Just awesome. He says, hello again, my friends. I pray that you're all doing well. He says here, a little bird told him that we love these cakes, so please enjoy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I gotta eat one more cookie. Thank you so much, buddy. Look at that, an entire case. Trust me, you guys will love these. So, this package, it doesn't state here who this is from. The company that sent it is the Dublin Jerky Company. Nothing else inside of the box, so it doesn't say who it's from. So it's a mystery viewer. My friend, you shouldn't have. Wow. Oh yeah, some serious jerky, some serious meat. Okay, so this one is barbecue beef. This one is original beef. This one is original beef. Let's go to town on the barbecue beef. Want to? Oh my gosh, it smells freaking awesome. Gosh, yeah. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. My friend, I cannot thank you enough. That is delicious. Now that is beef jerky that I freaking like. I am looking forward to sharing this with the wife and Lucas later on. Thank you so much. I'm actually going to finish that off for lunch. Speaking of which, it is lunchtime for me. I have beef and cookies for lunch. Yes. That is probably the best jerky I've ever had. It is absolutely amazing. Wow. Once I go through this, I will start purchasing from this company myself. It's that good. It's that good. Everyone, thank you all so much. You all are appreciated. Thanks for the comments, the letters, the emails, the packages. You guys shouldn't have. You guys have made my day, as always. Strength and honor. See you guys around.